Hey, how you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Andrea?
Andrea. What grade are you in?
12.
You in 12th grade?
Yes.
Let's go. So Andrea right here. This is her first marking period. Can you explain to us all this average right here? The
Okay.
first one?
So I'm in AP English Literature, so that's an advanced class. And
Okay.
since I'm in dual enrollment, I take college courses as well as high school courses. So I also
So-
got a Spanish 100, and the
That's
others
right.
I passed.
And she's taking pre-calculus right there.
Yes.
And her average is 96.75. That's crazy. So you get the $100,
Thank you.
right? And you get the Island Lock t-shirt.
Thank you.
And you get to grab whatever you want. Go ahead, grab it. No, you get to grab whatever you want.
Thank you.
Alright. You don't need a bag?
No, that's alright.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Have a good one.